Do your operations take place where a cellular service is unreliable? If so, you've more than likely experienced how difficult it is to access data over the internet or make voice calls cost-effectively. You may have tried satellite solutions that are large, heavy, or difficult to install. And it's got you thinking, there must be a better solution. Introducing SkyLink by Blue Sky Network, a compact, lightweight, cloud-based networking and IoT solution that can be carried or installed on virtually any asset, such as aircraft, vessels, vehicles, or buildings, indoors or outdoors, anywhere on the planet. With SkyLink, your operations gain truly global connectivity using affordable dual-mode technology. It uses cellular when available and switches to the Iridium Certus satellite service when needed. SkyLink is backed by a powerful web-based application, making it easier than ever for managers and IT professionals to remotely configure network settings and phone lines for a single device, or hundreds of devices at a time. It also includes comprehensive network and data reporting, a Wi-Fi hotspot and dynamic firewall, 2 high-quality voice channels with support for PBX systems, edge computing, and GPS tracking capabilities. Take your communications to the next level. Visit blueskynetwork.com/Skylink today to learn more.